Jinshinda Machinery Company Limited, founded in 1985. It is a stone machinery manufacturer specializing in stone machinery research and development, production, sales, and after-sales. The company adheres to the development concept of developing the enterprise with science and technology first and creating a reputation with quality. Independently developed a 5-axis intelligent bridge cutting machine. Help the stone industry to upgrade in an all-round way. 5-axis intelligent bridge cutting machine is a multifunctional cutting machine. Adopt 5-axis linkage CNC system control. 5-axis RTCP function. Visual positioning layout. Built-in common library. Automatic tool measurement. Boss absolute value servo with power-off memory function. High-precision linear guide wheel. Boss screw drive. Oil immersed track structure. It has the advantages of multifunction, high precision, and strong stability. Its process functions include arbitrary shape lines, fan-shaped slabs, sintered stone horse belly cutting, curved surface cutting, zinc processing, and special-shaped edge forming, etc. The equipment has many processing functions, high intelligence, wide application, and simple operation. It is a great tool for stone processing. Create cost-effective stone machinery.